What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics, and today I have a 3-package mail day. Let's go ahead and check it out. So the first one that I'm going to unbox is Comics Elite, then I got an eBay, and then we'll end with MIDTOWN Comics. So I'm going to go with the goodies first.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
So let's go ahead and see what I got. Already pre-staged the box opening and critique from my friend JB from Discovery Bay Comics. He said, "Hey bro, why'd you edit that stuff out?" So yep, good call. So yeah, it's actually, I thought I got more than one thing. It's just one from Comics Elite, so you could probably guess what it is if I just got it today. Which by the way, now available for pre-order, Immortal Hulk number 20, the Lucio Grillo exclusive, is to us or to the US, and Unknown. Oh no, it's to Comics Elite and Unknown Comics. So that's pretty good. They got this buy one get one free, and look at that badass Amazing Spider-Man number 25. Wouldn't it be cool to get the limited 500 variant, limited to 500 variant of that, the Virgin? That'd be so cool. And I don't even like Virgins, but that Virgin looks sweet. And let's go ahead and see this. Check this cover out. The Amazing Spider-Man number 24 in a Mylar, in a top loader, and it looks pretty darn good. This is the brown cover. Let me see. Yep, Ryan Brown. And this one is numbered to 3000. It's great. I love it. Let's check out the back. Variant number 24, exclusive to Comics Elite. Let's go ahead and check them out. These are pretty cool. Alright, so next up on the agenda, thought I pre-staged well enough. Guess not. Don't worry. I'll just slide it out like this. Hope it doesn't bend. Sorry. And it's masking tape. Let's not be impatient. Ooh. Alright. Bam. This one is from eBay. Great packing. I will leave you a comment. But blue painter's tape is better. Just kidding. Probably bending this comic all to hell. Because I'm impatient. Oh! I can't believe I got it already. Good thing I didn't rush it. I got Marvel Comics Presents number 6. This is the first appearance. Hold on. Thought I bent the corner. First appearance of, how do you say it? Vane? I don't know. First appearance of Wolverine's daughter. This one just shook the nation by surprise. Nobody knew this was coming, but now it's here. I should have known better. I should have got this based on the cover alone. It has some Liefeld goodness. Maybe I'll get him to sign it just because it has Deadpool on there. Got Johnny Blaze, Ghost Rider, or is that Robbie Reyes? No idea. It's Ghost Rider. And Wolverine. And he has his short story in this, The Vigil, first appearance. And guess what? I didn't pay $75 for this. Luckily, I got it on day one before it skyrocketed twice. So there's that. And then let's go ahead and end with some MIDTOWN Comics action. MIDTOWN Comics. Let's see what I got. Ooh, like how I made that disappear. This one I think was supposed to be from last new comic book day. And let's go ahead and see. It's gonna be a surprise to you and me. Alright, so this one is the back of it. This is the erotica variant of Faithless number 3. Look at that. Everything you can imagine is real. Pablo Picasso. Dope. Oh. Are they trying to do like a reveal? So Faithless number 3. This one is done by Tamara Bonvillain. And I would do some reveals, but I'm not sure what YouTube's policy is on it. And it's not like I'm going to demonetize, but I really don't want to get banned or anything like that. So, Faithless number 3. Oh, I forgot I got this. Now, I don't know why they put it all in backwards. Marvel's number 4. Maybe not to damage the comic. I mean, flip it even when the corner is bent. Oh, yes. That's why I got it. It's the Stephanie Hans variant of Marvel Annotated number 4. I don't have 1, 2, or 3, but Hans variant. Even though I love Alex Ross, I had to go with the Stephanie Hans variant. And then, finally, I got War of the Realms Journey to Mystery number 5. Was this a variant? I don't know. So that's all I got. Thank you for being here. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is High Road Comics. And always, don't forget to take the high road.